Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope all are safe at their homes. So, welcome back again. We are back with the History Civics of class 6. Hope, students, the topic which already we have done, you have revised. Today, we will continue our civics chapter number 2, Urban Local Self-Government. Students, as you are able to see the point, our metropolitan cities, municipalities, municipal corporation, these three topics already we have done in the last video. Today we will discuss about the functions of the local body and sources of income. The local problems of a town or city are tackled by the local government body. So there are few compulsory functions. Students, I am showing you the picture, but just read the all compulsory functions in your books. First is keeping the city clean. This is the primary duty of a municipality. The municipality has to make arrangements for the removal the garbage and waste. The municipalities not only keep the cities clean, they also make arrangements for vaccination. The municipality also makes arrangements for checking food adulteration. Construction and maintenance of good and wide roads and streets, planting trees along the roadside. Municipality opens hospital, dispensaries and other medical centers in the different localities. Supply of electricity of houses and factories. Municipality also keep a record of all births and deaths in the city. Construction of public conveyance at the busy centers. So these are the few compulsory functions. More you can read from the book. See here the public education. Education prepares responsible citizens. It helps in the welfare and progress of the society. Same public security. Every municipality or a corporation maintain fire brigades for saving the people and their property. It can also pull down old, dangerous houses which may cause mishappening. Now the other topic is optional functions. The municipality or a corporation may develop park and gardens. It may develop zoo, museum. They can even construct children's homes, rest house. Local bodies in bigger cities also provide their transport facilities that are cheap and efficient. So these were the optional and compulsory functions. Other topic is source of income. First is octroi duty, taxes on goods and brought the taken town, income from municipal property, entertainment tax as tax collected from those who provide different kinds of entertainment like cinema halls, government grants. The municipalities also receive annual financial grant from the state government, house tax. This is also fixed by the municipality. Water tax, people who have municipality taps in their houses, they have to pay. Professional tax, lawyers, doctors and others may have to pay profession tax on the annual income. So these are the few points of sources of income. Now we have finished the chapter. Please go through the chapter thoroughly. Thank you.